The 6 best frozen foods for better blood pressure. To dietitians. Think frozen foods are unhealthy? Think again. Dietitians say some frozen picks can actually help lower your blood pressure and boost heart health. Let's explore the top 6. Frozen spinach. First up, frozen spinach. Packed with potassium and magnesium, it helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Plus, it's ready in minutes, perfect for soups, omelets, and smoothies. Frozen berries. Next, frozen berries. Loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols, they fight inflammation and support healthy arteries. Try them in yogurt, oatmeal, or blended into a refreshing smoothie. Frozen salmon. At number 3, frozen salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it helps lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and protect your heart. Bake, grill, or air fry for a quick, nutrient-packed meal. Frozen edamame. Number 4, frozen edamame. These soybeans are high in plant-based protein, potassium, and fiber, 3 key nutrients for blood pressure control. Enjoy them as a snack or toss into stir-fries. Frozen sweet potatoes. At 5, frozen sweet potatoes. Full of potassium, fiber, and slow-digesting carbs. They help stabilize blood pressure and keep your energy steady. Frozen mixed vegetables. And finally, frozen mixed vegetables. A quick, budget-friendly way to add fiber, vitamins, and minerals to any meal, all with minimal sodium. All 6 foods displayed together on a bright kitchen counter. Narrator. So remember, frozen can be fresh for your health. Stock up on these 6 dietitian-approved foods to help keep your blood pressure in check. Which one will you add to your shopping list first? In the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more heart-healthy tips.